Hey everybody, I was just out in the garden and I forgot. I did. It even happens to me. I forget to use proper posture when I'm breaking down the soil here, getting ready to plant some seeds. So I noticed, oh, my back's bugging me just a little bit. And I had some music on and I was just grooving with the tunes. And I was doing, I was hoeing, and I was kind of in a stuck position like this because you can generate a little bit more power this way, I thought. But I was like, okay, right. So you want to hinge and do more like this, right? Rather than this. So bend your knees slightly and just stick your bum out a little bit and hook in this way. And yeah, this is the way to do it, right? As opposed to this. A little bit more of this, a little less of this. Will keep your gardening happy.